The first two lessons that we're going to complete are just to get you used to working in the Tinker coding environment. The first lesson that you will be completing will be in Programming 300, and it is Lesson 1, Intro to Tinker. There are several code blocks that you'll be using in this first lesson and some new vocabulary you will need to know. Forward moves the actor forward. Fly up makes the actor move up the screen. Repeat is a loop, and inside of this section right here, you'll give a specific number of times that you want the code within the block to repeat. The if-then block, if the condition within this block is true, then the code inside will run. Eat makes the actor eat objects. Blast makes the actor destroy objects. Go down makes the actor move down the screen. Turn around makes the actor face in the opposite direction from what they currently are in. And repeat until makes an actor repeat whatever code is in between here, however many times it takes until a value becomes true or false. So you could say repeat until food eaten equals 3, or something greater than or less than, but it's just going to be a true or a false statement. In the lesson that you're going to do, you will use this block to repeat moving a dragon until it reaches a specific point, which is the treasure. The new vocabulary that you're going to be using in this lesson, code. Code is simply a language that tells the computer what to do. Sequence, the order in which steps or events happen. You can think of that like when you're cooking something, you do things in a specific order or sequence. Actors are the Tinker characters, and then the objects that can talk and they can interact with each other. Stage is the background of the project where the actors are placed on the screen. A command is a specific action or instruction that tells the computer to do something. So you can think of these blocks as commands. A loop is an action that repeats one or more commands over and over again. A counting loop is a loop that repeats one or more commands a specific number of times. A condition is a logical expression or statement that evaluates to either true or false. I am hungry. True or false. Conditional statements are a type of statement that execute different parts of code based on whether the expression is true or false. So you would only repeat something, or you would do something within the block if it was true and something different if it was false. Let's complete the 7th module within Lesson 1 called Forward Fly Up together. It says fly up and go forward repeatedly to reach the treasure. So here I am, and I need to reach the treasure. It says repeat the blocks in this repeat block 5 times. The repeat block is useful when you want to run the same code again and again. You can connect the forward, fly up, and any other block inside it. You can also change the number of times that you want it to repeat. So first thing it wants us to do is on start. Let's see, we need to fly up and then move forward. I'm going to run that and see what happens. So that moves it. Okay, so that gets me to the first one. So I need to get that to happen several times. So I'm going to take that fly up and move forward. I'm going to put it inside of a block, and there are 1, 2, 3, Oh, it's right there. 1, 2, 3. So let's try repeating that 3 times. You can see right here it's running through the code. Got 1, 2, 3. Success! For this lesson, you're going to be completing all the rest of these. There are a lot in it. It will take you about 70 minutes, depending on how much coding experience you have. If you run into any issues, please email me any questions or see me during my office hours.